I can't swing it with slicks.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Oh, I can, but I don't want to waste my tires.
Your sounds healthier.
This feels healthier. What?
You want to smoke, bro?
Get your heel lining up and shit.
Holy shit, I'm hungry.
Let's go to a 15.
Let's restart this one because we ain't even listened to it. Where'd my phone go? Alright, we came to Chick-fil-A. We'll catch you on a little bit. We're finna get some food and eat.
No Chick-fil-A sauce?
Yeah. Say what's up to my vlog.
Nigga Prieto. Oh shit, that boy Ditra though. My nigga Gio. What happened? Oh yeah.
Wait, can we roll?
Then they're gonna go like this, bro.
You see, what I'm TikTok you got fucked up with? You see face off first time? Yeah.
Hold up. Let him. It's wizard time, motherfucker! Fireball!